Oh, check this out, everybody. We are at the Gapyeong Begonia Bird Park. We are here. We are there. Oh, look, he got a little worm. These birds.
Oh, this is the bird zone.
Oh, get all these feathers. Bird zone. Oh. Well, here we go. Everybody get ready. Security. Yay, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Look how majestic. Look how majestic this place is. No food or drink. Obviously, you don't want to be throwing things. No touching. And no walking. Wow. And then we push. Whoa, check this out. These are feathers. Whoa. These guys are just out and about like free. Whoa, these guys are just... Watch it. What? Oh, no. Look, he's stuck. What are you... Whoa. Is this place awesome and spectacular at the same time? Whoa.